Are you guys seeing this cut? This is the most professional cuts, the most professional cut. Sometimes when I even cut hair, I don't even get this good. Like, this is so clean. Like, you know it's clean when you tilt your head. When you tilt your head and you like, just see how it's just like equal. This is such a clean, perfect cut.
So the gorgeous hair I'm wearing today is from Myfirstwig, and they make quality wigs for beginners. When they say for beginners, they mean it for beginners, because this hair is so beginner friendly. So this is the packaging, what they give to you that you're going to need to install this hair: combs, flyaway tamer, everything that you need as a beginner. Okay, so this is the wig. Let me show you guys. Oh, this hair is so amazing, guys. And it's a bob. It's 10-inch and it's Yaki and it's natural color. This is all the details. So this hair, you really don't have to do too much work if you're a beginner that don't know how to cut a bob or don't want to do too much. And the most beautiful thing about this hair, other than the texture, is the kinky edges. I'm going to show you guys in detail. So this is the inside. The lace is already bleached. The knots is already bleached, and the lace is like a HD transparent lace, very good lace. And this is the edges. As you can see, it's like the kinky edges. So with this type of edges, you don't need baby hair. It just kind of mimics our natural type 3 type 4 edges. So if you don't like those super silky straight edges, this is the edges for you. And this is like what's trending right now. So I'm going to show you how to just put this wig on and like make it look cute like you saw in the beginning. So right now, because I just took it out of the box, it's not super straight, but we're going to straighten it, and the hair straightens very easily. You're going to see it yourself. So what we're doing now is to just like prep the kinky edges to make it look more natural. I'm going to be using some mousse, and yeah, just watch, because this hair speaks for itself. So just watch how I just install this hair from start to finish. So the hair comes automatically in the middle part, but you can actually do a side part, C part, whatever part, L part. So it has like enough parting room if you want to switch up the parts. So yeah, I don't think you're only limited to middle part, girl.
On it to my face like that. Are you guys seeing this cut? This is the most professional cuts, the most professional cut. Sometimes when I even cut hair, I don't even get this good. Like, this is so clean. Like, you know it's clean when you tilt your head. When you tilt your head and you like, you just see how it's just like equal. This is such a clean, perfect cut. This wig is so worth it. So worth it, guys. I am absolutely in love with this hair, the texture, the length, the cut, and the edges. Because everything about this wig is me, okay? Every single thing. So yeah, my first wig, you guys did an amazing job with this hair. So I actually like it without the stocking cap. As you can see, you don't even need a stocking cap. Just use the spray, the tint spray, and you should be good to go. And just like secure it down with your got2b spray. When you're using the blow dryer for the edges, just put it on low heat so it's not like too hot, so it doesn't like straighten out the edges, because the point is to have the edges looking natural and kinky, like a natural texture of edges. So yeah, that's the idea of this wig. So I love it. I love this hair, love this length, and it's very beginner friendly, as you can see. Ooh, this is so convenient. Sometimes I don't want long hair, I just want a bob, and this bob is everything. Perfect length right here. This would be great, especially for the summertime, like when it's really hot. But yeah, this is very easy to take care of. Nothing much to do. And yeah, you guys let me know in the comment section how you like this hair. I'm going to leave the information to this hair in the description. This is from my first wig. They do amazing quality wigs. Like, I'm telling you, they do really good wigs for beginners. Like, this is so good. And I like that the hair is very easy to straighten. I just roll the flat iron on the hair and it just straightens easily. So you don't have to be like trying to really get it straight. Just put some flat iron heat and it's just going to straighten the hair easily. It straightens easily, so that's perfect for me. But yes, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Listen, when I go outside, this time I'm shaking my head. Thank you so much for watching. And you guys, what's wrong with me? Everything about this cut is just giving me some type of behavior. Oh my god. But yeah, as I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and go to the link in the description and get this wig, okay? You are not going to regret it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.